Hello friends, I present to your attention the super compact mount for installation on the T-track. The compact size allows the mount to be installed on kayaks and motorboats. The design comprises the body, locking mechanism and the bottom clip in the shape of the T-bolt. To fix the mount on the T-track or on the mounting system with the T-track, it's necessary to insert the T-bolt in the T-track. Fix it into the chosen position with a hex key. Internal splines of the mount are compatible with all BORIKA FASTen accessories. The fixation is quick and easy. Just open a plug, turn the body counterclockwise. Install the accessory adapter all the way in and turn it clockwise. The main parts are made of fiberglass-reinforced polyamide. The fastener is made of a ISI 304 stainless steel. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products, because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.